today?
I'm fighting Sam toys with my truck.
Really? Nice. I like your trucks. Ooh.
Kim.
Ooh. Nice.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview. Let's roll sandbox with Sam.
Oh. Oh.
Maybe you put a deep in there.
Yeah, you think so?
Oh, I think I feel something hard. I think I feel something.
Really? What'd you feel? What is that? Ah. What did you find? Oh, no.
It's frozen egg.
A frozen egg? I see something.
Tomato, Bader, Cagers.
Tomater? Hey! Hey, Tomater! Frozen egg and Mater. Where are the others?
Hey.
You found something. What's that? What's that?
It's Marshall.
Marshall. Ooh.
Look, I put sand in his water hose. That Marshall.
Oh,
Look at me.
What?
What do we have here?
I don't know. What is it? What is that sticking out? Oh.
There you go.
Caterpillar power.
Yay! What's that?
Did it just say that thing?
What's that?
Look, it's Francesco.
Francesco, hi.
Hi, Franceschi.
Huh?
Yay!
What's that?
Chasey, Basie, oh my Casey.
What?
Yeah, we found Chasey, Basie, really Casey.
Ah!
It is McQueen.
Hey, McQueen.
Room, really. It's not.
Oh, I found something. Oh, that's your feet.
Oh, I found something. Oh, that's your hair. Something in there.
What? What's in there?
Nothing. I didn't get it.
There's nothing there, right? Oh,
Yay! We found Thomas. Hi, Thomas.
Do you know what it's for, kids?
What? What is it for?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
It can roll them down too. Put it on there. Let's dump it out.
Oh no, they're all covered again. They're all covered again. Where'd they go? I don't see them. Oh, cool. That's cool.
Why is it coming out?
There's a hole.
I have to go forward or something. Let's bury them.
Okay.
It's gonna help.
you think we can bury them?
Yeah. I'm gonna stump them out. Kim.
It's Olaf! Ah. Hi there, Olaf. No! Hi, little fella.
He's gonna eat it. No, no. He's eating sand.
He's eating sand.
Meow, 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 meow,
Oh, where'd he go?
He's eating it.
Oh no, I'm stuck in the sand. Can somebody help me?
Oh no, I'm gonna be back with the crane truck, okay?
Thank you, Olaf. Please come back soon.
It's a big
That's
crane.
big. Can Olaf drive it?
Yeah, he's driving. I think that.
Ooh. Oh, thank you, Olaf. Now please get me down. This is too high.
Okay, I'll let you go down.
too fast.
Yeah. Woo!
Ooh.
I'm the boat driver.
You're the boat driver?
Whoa.
Ooh.
Forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. Time to bury you in the sand.
Ryan! Ooh. You splashed water on me.
What?
Oh. Cold? Oh. Oh, like a rocking chair?
That looks bad.